in the first few days. So I'm glad that you're here. If there's questions about the stuff we're doing, please ask. We're going to start off nice and slow today, but we'll ramp it up in the next few days. So make sure when we do this, if there's any question about where we did something, that you ask right away. It's very, very important. Right? Okay, Brandon, actually just answer. You want to go again? Okay, Brandon's going to go first here. This is example 1. Okay, we're going to start nice and nice here. X plus 1 equals 3. All right, so I want to get, if I look at step 1, I want to just get the x by itself, right? That's what I want for algebra. All right, Brandon, what do I need to get rid of then? Yeah, how do you get rid of plus 1? Good, what does it turn into? Good? Awesome, okay. So what we're going to do for this is, whenever you go across the equal side, it just flips. Okay, so the plus 1 on the right, it's a minus on the left. Braden, that's you. That's 3 minus 1. Braden, are you Braden? You're Braden, right? What? Are you Braden? Oh, who are you? Who? Why'd you switch on me? That's okay. You're Rachel still, right? You're Avery, right? Why? How about everyone screwed up on me here? Did you guys screw up with this plan on me? We'll set it up again tomorrow. I'm all mixed up now. So who does Josh? Okay, that's fine. Okay, Wyatt, since you switched the names on me, you try this next one. Actually, I'll give everyone a chance to give me the answer in a second. Okay. Let's go x minus 5 equals 8. Okay, so take the next 5 seconds of your, 10 seconds of your life, try that one out. And I'll let Wyatt try it here in a sec. Now, it's okay, this is why we use pencil in math class. Try these out yourself, okay? You gotta stretch your brain a little bit here, okay? Right? What's that? Don't put yourself down. Don't say that. It's okay, it's the first day. You've had all summer off. And if you had math first semester, it's a long, long time. Yeah.
Do you not switch it like 2 o'clock?
Yeah. Good. So remember, we're just doing opposites here, right? Very good. So what we're going to do here is going to be x equals 8 plus 5. So you see what we did there? The first one, there's a plus 1 on the left, and then it changed to a negative. This one here, you started with a negative 5, right? And switched to a plus. All right. Wyatt, back to you. What's 8 and 5, please? Almost 13, okay? That's okay. That's okay. That's all right. I'm a math teacher, that's okay. All right. Okay, is this coming back for some people? A little bit, yes? Okay, I'll try one more. Okay, try this one, then we'll step it up again. Now, by the way, Mrs. Sadler, if you hear that I'm not being clear or I'm not, please let me know, okay? And everyone else, if something's not being clear, don't say things like I'm dumb, say, can you please help me, Mr. Sadler, right? That's where we want to use positive language here, okay? Oh, I'm going to go crazy here today. Oh, here's a tricky one. All right. If you need to use a calculator, feel free. I don't mind that, okay? If you don't have a calculator today, who uses, I don't need to borrow one today. You use your, I don't want to do that. All right, so take a second, okay? Give this one a try. You can do it. If you can't do the last subtraction, at least set it up properly, okay? Okay. Rachel, I would like you to be brave. What do we get rid of on the left-hand side? What do we remove? Somebody help her. She's pausing. Somebody help her. We need to get rid of somebody else. Yeah, Jack, go ahead. Yeah, how do you, what's, Jack, what's the opposite of plus 11? minus 11, right? So just when it comes across, it's going to be opposite. So this is just going to go then, x equals 4 minus 11. Now, again, I saw Rachel reaching for her calculator, and that's good. Integers suck, so I acknowledge use that language or not? Probably not. Integers are tricky, okay, right? Not everyone can do 4 minus 11 in their head. I can because I'm a math teacher, but most normal people can't, okay? So that's fine. Use your calculator if you need to. Rachel, since you have your calculator out, can you do 4 minus 11 for me, please? Negative 7. Yeah, so it just, yes, exactly, it's like subtraction. Now, when are you going to see negatives in your life? Hopefully not in your bank account, but you could. Every day in winter I see it and I'm mad about it. Okay? All it just means is less and it's like dropping. We're sort of, this is you okay? First step is good? Okay. I'm going to do letter D here. I'm going to ask for a volunteer and then we'll go from here. Letter D. Oh, that old Mr. Sadler does it again. 5x equals 15. Okay, so we're moving on here to step 2. Step 1 we're done with, okay, because there's no pluses or minuses in this one, we can't do that. But we do have 5x. So, Josie, what do we need to get rid of on the left-hand side this time? Good. So that's like 5 times x. What's the opposite of times by 5? Divided by 5, good. So all we're just going to do is just go divide 5. Divide 5. Okay. So 5x divided by 5 is just plain old x. Sorry, Keith, what's 15 divided by 5? Now, I'm not. You guys all right back there? Please be all right back there. Please be all right back there. Okay. Okay. So we have x equals 3 there. Again, if you want to check, you check it in your mind, right? So x is 3, 5 times 3 is 15, right? Now, we're going to go through this algebra stuff probably for about a week every day, just so you guys feel good and nobody says, I don't know how to do this or whatever. Because every day in this class we use algebra, right? Probably at least 90% of the questions we'll use an X will be in there, okay, this entire year, okay? So if you're feeling good about this, great. If you're not, that's okay, right? That's what learning's all about, right? I don't expect everything to be Mrs. Sadler on the first day of school. All right, let's give you guys one to try here for a sec right now. Let's go. Now, just so you know, there's lots of examples every day. Now, these are small, though. All these are tiny. I tend to do tons of examples, little tiny things. That's what I do every day. Letter E says 4x equals 20. Everyone take a minute to try this right now. Okay? And then I'm going to Hannah in a minute. Okay? So take a minute. I'm going to pause in the video. You can do this.